Hello students, welcome to the online health class. Today I will be going over the online health website, Google Classroom, as well as the online health textbook. To begin, I currently have up the online health website. Please make sure to read through all of the welcome page information and start exploring the course. On the left-hand side, you will see all of the different menu options. So you can see here under Home, there are 6 weeks that you can explore. These 6 weeks represent the 6 weeks of the course. Please keep in mind, you will have an assignment pretty much every day of this course, and that is due to us having to cram 18 weeks of work into 6 weeks. My suggestion is to follow the calendar, which I will show you in a little bit, to stay on pace, or you're also welcome to work ahead. So for example, I'm going to hop into week 1 here. You can see all of the week 1 work as I scroll down. The chapters to read are above the assignments. Then you have the assignment to complete, and then you submit those assignments to Google Classroom. Also, as you start exploring, you will notice that there are videos located within the different weeks, as well as surveys and other valuable information. Please make sure to also read through that information in order to thoroughly understand the assignment for that week. Next menu option that you see is the calendar and syllabus. You can see here the calendar and syllabus provides a class description, general information about the course. I also have broken down the assignments, what to complete each and every day, as well as the times of the final exam at the end of the 6 weeks. Please come back and visit this throughout the 6 weeks, as sometimes the room does change by the end of the 6 weeks, depending upon availability or events or unexpected events. So right now it's scheduled to be in room 243, but that again may change. I will also communicate that through email as well. The next menu option that you see here is Contacts. There are multiple teachers, so please make sure to contact the appropriate teacher that you need to contact for your health course. If they do not respond within a 48-hour period of time, you can always call them or contact Mr. Dunbar, who is the associate principal. And if you have any technology questions of any kind, please contact Mr. Wright. The next menu option that you see here is Google Classroom. The different codes are available here. You can find out what section you are in. When you log into Infinite Campus, it will indicate 12.1, 12.2, 12.3, or 35.1, 35.2, 35.3. Whatever section you're in, you're going to grab the code from here, and then you're going to join that Google Classroom. Now, if you are unsure how to join a Google Classroom, I'm going to go through that process right now. At this time, log into your email account. You're going to click on the little 9 white squares in the upper right-hand corner. Go find the Google Classroom. If that is not available, please go to More. Click on More from Apps Marketplace. Going to search for Google Classroom and add it to your account. Once you have added it, again, you're going to come back to those 9 little squares, click on Google Classroom, click on the little plus sign in the top right-hand corner. It's going to say create or join a class. Click on Join Class, paste that class code, and then click Join. Once you have gone through that process, you will have a Google Classroom that appears like mine do here. From here, you can click on the classroom that you want to go into, because you may have more than one, and then you can see what is due for that week. So you can see here, I have already added assignments so students are able to complete them. You can also note the due dates are here. All assignments are worth 4 points. If you submit an assignment late, it will be an automatic reduction of 1 point. All assignments are due Sundays at 11:59 p.m. Again, if they are late, it's a reduction of 1 point. And all assignments are worth 4 points. We will be updating Infinite Campus hopefully every week. That is our plan. But again, be patient if we don't get that information in right away, so you can see what your exact grade is once we have graded the assignment and have returned it to you. With that in mind, the last item to go over is the online health textbook. I'm going to switch over to the textbook here. As you can see, the title of the textbook is Human Sexuality. To enter the textbook, please click on the cover. Now from here, you can navigate around a few different ways. You're welcome to take a look at whatever you would like. You can choose the chapter. Let's go to chapter 2. You can choose the lesson that you would like. So let's go to lesson 3 and then make sure to click go. From here, it opens up to the first page of chapter 3 or chapter 2, lesson 3. The pages you will have to navigate around by going to the bottom. So we're currently on page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. You can also go to the lessons at the top here, so you can see here's lesson 1 of chapter 2, lesson 2 of chapter 2, lesson 3 of chapter 2, and lesson 4 of chapter 2. Again, you will have to go to the bottom in order to navigate from page to page. And there is also a review at the end of each section. You do not have to complete anything in the textbook. All of your assignments are on the Online Health website, but these reviews may be very helpful for the final exam at the end of the semester. So you're welcome to take down notes as you go through and read. You are welcome to ask questions, of course, to your teachers if you're not understanding a certain topic, and so on and so forth. Some other suggestions. The final exam is quite lengthy since we have to cover those 18 weeks of work. Make sure that you write down notes, understand what you're doing, read through the chapters, watch the videos. And the great thing about the final exam is that you are able to create a standard size sheet of computer paper or use a loose leaf piece of paper and take notes and bring that to your final exam. You can either write or type this. It can be written in pencil or pen. And the topics covered are general health, nutrition, mental health, physical activity, tobacco, first aid, and human reproduction. With that being said, I have gone over the online health website, Google Classroom, and the online health textbook. If you have any other questions as you get going, please don't hesitate to reach out to your teachers. Thanks for listening, everyone. Have a great day.